Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know who sent this, but I forgot what you sent, Mr. Mike. So, say it with me, we'll just find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, get your hands on some of these cool stickers and some other amazing exclusive benefits, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. All right, let's get out the catalyst of surgical excellence and precision. Whoops, I totally meant to cut my background there. It's all right. Don't worry. It's vinyl upholstery, so very durable. Okay. And what else do we have? Oh, we got a whole bunch of... Holy moly, I did not know I was going to be doing a multi-knife unboxing today. All right. Well, as I have learned from previous unboxings, the packaging is not necessarily indicative of what's in here, though I feel like... Oh, wait a sec, guys. No, I do know what this is. One moment. Let's turn the exposure up. Okay. I'm interested to find out what's in here. Okay, well, this is a buck 110. Yeah. Wait a sec. Yeah, this is the buck 110. So I've actually never reviewed the standard buck 110. So maybe this is a good opportunity, or it's a good opportunity to talk about the buck 110 maybe in relation to the modern knife world and maybe why it survived so long, etc. I don't know. But thank you so much, Mike, for sending that. Let's find out what's in here. Oh, okay. Now, this I'm definitely interested in. That's right. Mike told me he was sending this so I could compare it to the new 110. Is this like the 110 Slim or the 110 Light? Or I'm sure I'm like dancing around it, and I'm sure like it's either got something really close to that or it's something totally different. This is very, very cool. So I will link this guy down in the description. Very interested in taking a look at that. Now, the main deal, the main guy here, give you guys a little preview. A lot of people know exactly what it is. This is the new production Shamwari, made by We. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Man, I'm just, holy crap. Hold on a second. Hold the phone here. Wow, that is way, way smoother than I thought it was going to be. What's the deal here? I mean, not to say that We knives aren't smooth. They are, but they're not that smooth. What the heck? Hold on. Yeah, that's very nearly fall shut. In fact, let me keep my fingers off the lock bar. Oh, yeah, that is crispy. Very cool. So, that's awesome. We're going to be talking about that. My buddy Kyle was kind enough to send his actual Shamwari back so that I can compare the production version versus the custom version, or the semi-custom, whatever you want to call it. I think his is actually a full custom. We'll be comparing. This is technically closer to the 3-inch. In fact, it basically is. And the one he's sending, the custom, is going to be the full-size one. But it'll still be nice to compare and contrast. So, anyways, Mike, thank you so much for sending these. I look forward to taking a closer look at all of this stuff. I think that's going to be pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.